Hi guys! So the second part of today's session is divided into three smaller workouts, and this time it's all about agility and explosive power. First one is 7 rounds. Each round is a minute. Every minute is divided into three parts. 20 seconds of lower body work, 20 seconds of upper body work, and 20 seconds of rest before the next round. We start with the shuffle to explosive jump. Remember guys, it's all about agility and explosive power, so try to be agile and as explosive as possible. Tip: try to move on the front part of your feet, that will help your legs agility. After 20 seconds without the break, we move to the next one. Plank shuffle to a push-up. Same idea, we try to be agile, we try to be explosive. If you guys struggle with the full push-up, after the plank shuffling, you can place your knees on the floor and make a knee push-up, or you can make a half push-up, or just a few inches, so try first and see what works for you. 20 seconds and then 20 seconds of rest and 6 more rounds like that. Second part, similar idea, different exercises. 6 round, skater bound to single leg jump and cross step. I highly recommend to practice both of them before you start doing them on time. Skater bound with single leg jump, one of those exercises that is easier to show than to explain. It's often used for training soccer players or rugby players or any other team sports where agility and lateral movements are very important. And again, the move is tricky, so I recommend to test it before you start the workout. And here's some easier version of it. You jump with both legs, not one. After 20 seconds, we move to a cross step, one of my favorite agility exercises. Same as with the previous one, I would recommend to test this one before you start the workout. Move slowly on the front part of your feet, and if you feel comfortable, you can slowly increase the speed. 20 seconds of this, and then 20 seconds of rest, and 5 more rounds like that. Last one, 5 rounds. We're going to alternate lower body and upper body again, 20 seconds of work for each of them and 20 seconds of rest. Bounce to crossover. I suppose this move was inspired by dancers and by the way they move their hips. So you see guys, to move your feet across, just to move your legs is not enough. You're supposed to twist and to turn your hips in order to move your feet to the opposite direction. And of course, all that is supposed to be agile and explosive. Last one is crossover push-ups. I would recommend to place your feet on something like a small carpet or a rag or a small towel, something that can help you rotate without getting blisters on your toes. Also pay attention to the form, you move your arms across, you don't shuffle. And of course the knee version is also acceptable. That's the workout for today. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Go to the comment section below and let us know what you think about it and have fun. I see you soon.